The reconciliation of accounts receivable is an important process organizations need to run on a regular basis to ensure the integrity of financial statements. This is done by matching detailed amounts of unpaid customer invoices to AR statements in the general ledger. It is also a highly manual, repetitive, and error-prone process, making it an ideal candidate for intelligent automation. In this demo video, we will show how Roboyo helped a large global manufacturing organization automate the AR reconciliation process from end to end, which helped drive the customer days sales outstanding toward zero. The same process automation has been replicated across multiple other client organizations, given how common this challenge is. For this automation, Roboyo deployed a set of software robots powered by robotic process automation to consistently retrieve the latest information from various customer portals separately and reconcile them against the client's ERP system, updating the information to reflect the scheduled payment and yielding a detailed report to the AR clerks. The process starts with the bot logging into the ERP, in this case SAP, retrieve the transaction data by entering the client codes and billing dates, and exporting the data table into an Excel spreadsheet with specified folder paths and naming conventions. It repeats this process for additional invoice reports needed from SAP, enriches the invoice data, and saves the resulting spreadsheet. The bot will then log into the customer portal, in this case their automotive OEM's supply chain collaboration system, and enter the specific parameters such as vendor number, status, plant, and dates, and extracts the invoice data and populates it into a pre-structured Excel template with specific folder path and naming convention. Once the invoice reports from both systems have been retrieved, the bot will start the data analysis process, where it will reconcile the values from each report and make sure the total quantities, prices, and amounts match. The bot will finish this process by updating SAP with the reconciliation status and yield a detailed report for the AR clerk to identify an action plan for resolutions needed. The automation of this key accounting process resulted in a 60-day reduction in the cycle of receiving and clarifying payments, and annual savings of 30,000 hours of manual work. It also enabled the potential to roll out the automation solution to other customers and sites for our client, which will help multiply the value of this automation exponentially. To learn more about how intelligent automation can help your organization reach next-level process efficiency, please visit roboyo.global to request a free consultation.